Now, because nobody will come to know as to who has donated, whether you have received some quid pro quo, etc., therefore, it is promoting corruption, it is privileging. And if your lordship will see that now virtually all the donations or most of the donations are coming by way of electoral bonds. So therefore, and the bulk is going to the ruling party.
And in the case of a company,
yeah.
Now even the shareholders will not be told
Yes.
who you are contributing to.
Correct.
The shareholders will only be given
Yes.
the net result.
Correct.
That we have contributed as a company 250 crores this year.
Correct.
Shareholders now have no access to who you have contributed that amount to.
That's why in that Justice Chagla's judgment, that Tata judgment, they said that yes, we are allowing you to change your memorandum because you are permitted, but you will have to advertise in the newspapers saying where and to whom you have donated. And they said that we are doing it because they have come to us with permission to amend the memorandum, but other companies may have already this provision in their memorandum or in their articles that they can donate to political parties. And therefore, at the end, they have cautioned that we are now advising Parliament to bring in a law which will make it mandatory for public disclosure. Of course, even earlier in the regime, citizens could find out who has donated to whom, because even when companies donated to particular parties, they were still obliged to maintain accounts and disclose their accounts in the company website. But ordinary citizen is not expected to be able to go through all the websites of all these 23 lakh companies to find out who has donated to whom, etc. Therefore, they said in that judgment that we are placing this condition upon you that you disclose it by way of advertisement to the public. And they said that because this requirement is not there for other companies who may already have political donations in their articles of association, therefore we are now advising Parliament to bring in a law to make this disclosure compulsory. Now, instead of doing that, we have gone exactly in the opposite direction, that we have now anonymized to the public even that possibility of coming to know from the returns of these companies who has donated and to whom, because that has been removed. So therefore, my lord, my submission is that this will destroy democracy. It's already, my lord, our democracy was almost a money game. It had become a money game.